Hi. Uh, okay. What I was trying to fix, or what I was looking for, and anyways, this is about as good as I've gotten it. You can see it's not moving much. Anyways, the point is, this is what I discovered. Now this front set of bolts is down tight, and it's down against the ways front and rear here, but there's no contact on the V. So it looks like the ultimate cure for me is going to be to have a machinist raise this deck height just a little bit so that it gets contact here. Now, when I raise this deck height or lower the spindle, then it's not going to meet back here. So I may end up having to do the exact same thing back here, although the tailstock is hitting the rear V the way it should. So, time to decide whether I want to spend more money on this thing. For now, I'm just going to tighten these bolts. There's 4 bolts on the headstock, 2 in the rear, 2 up front. And we'll see how it goes. But this may be something you other 9x20 users might want to look at. There you go. Stay healthy.